Are you ready to prove your skills in Valorant? Technophilia 2K26 presents Valo Showdown, an esports gaming event organized by Computer Science and Engineering Department, MIT CSN. This is a competitive Valorant tournament where you can participate either you are solo or you are in team. We have two game modes, unrated and solo deathmatch. Either you are in team, you can participate in unrated with 5 players as a team, or you are a solo player, you can participate in a solo deathmatch. Matches will be knockout rounds, semi-finals and finals. Best of 3 to prove your skills. Win exciting gaming accessories of price worth more than 15,000 rupees. Registrations are live now. Do register by scanning the QR or the link in bio. See you in the battlefield.